Si Labi Dance. Labi Dance. Labi Dance.
Hi, Riza.
Hi!
Riza, may tanong nga pala ako.
Ano yun?
Airport ka ba?
Personalan agad.
Paliparan.
Eh, bakit?
Kasi kung saan man lumipad ang isipan ko, sa'yo pa rin ang landing ng puso ko.
Keep up. Nimimiss mo ba ako? Bakit naman kita mamimiss? Ikaw ba? Ang may mahari ng tindahan na to? Oo nga.
Ay, Ale, maliit. Ba't kayo nangingiti? Bakit kayo nangingiti?
Ako na lang, Jacob.
Oh, picture muna kayo.
Tayo.
Akbay muna, akbay.
Friends kami.
Kaya, 1, 2. Yan, oh.
Bawal ang sad.
Oh, walang sad daw. Bawal ang sad. 1, 2.
Eto na, pinakahihintay ni Riza sa lahat.
It's the same old feeling, back again. It's the one they had way back when. They were too young to know what love is real.
O, sayaw na, sayaw.
But somehow some things never change.
Thank you.
And even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. She smiles like she used to smile way back then. Feeling like she used to feel way back when. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment.
Face reveal.
Wait now! Baby, this time it'll be love and they'll find. Baby, that's si Jacob!
Kilala mo?
Yung that's my boy!
Jacob ba yan?
Magkakilala kayo dati ba?
Crush ko po siya ng bata!
So that's my boy?
Opo!
Ikaw ba yun? So that's my boy?
Baby, this